As you guys know, I love nails, but I also have 2 children that I love, but they're adults. But I started thinking, how hard would this be if I had wee ones? 3, 4, 5, and 6 years old. How would I explain social distancing? Well, I used to explain this to my daughter, explaining to her about why she can't go outside because I don't know, on her own, why she can't go to the mall by herself when she was like literally 7. So I thought this might be a good way to explain the situation that we're in now. So I would get some sugar and I would pour it in her hand, actually. And I would have her taste the sugar and she'd go, sweet. These represent all the sweet people in the world, right? And then I would pour those people into our neighborhood, okay? This is the school, the neighborhood, whatever she relates to. Then I would say, these little bit we're putting my hand here, in this case, this is all the sweet people that might be sick. Maybe they don't even know it, right? And then I would take that and I would pour those sweet people that are a little bit sick into the jar of sugar. That right there will make her kind of go, I say her because I have 2 children, a boy and a girl, but she was the littlest at the time. That would just make her kind of go, bing, like a light bulb. All the good people that didn't know they were not well are mixed up in all the good people that are not sick. But how do you find the sick people? You can't tell who they are, right? That might help your wee ones understand why we have to social distance, because we just can't tell the ones that are not feeling well. Thanks for joining me. I hope that helps explain it to your wee one.